We believe that talent drives innovation across communities, organizations, and sponsors. Here is an example of how we're driving support for regional business growth in the region.
Hi, my name is Stephen Kabele. I'm a 2019 Notre Dame graduate with a degree in industrial design. We first started our work with Smoker Craft, which is a local boat manufacturer, last fall when they reached out to industry labs at the University of Notre Dame and enFocus to perform a manufacturing assessment at their facility. Before our work with them, they had actually identified that they needed to increase their fencing production to keep up with the rising demand of sales and orders coming in. So they invited us to spend 4 weeks looking at their production areas and to help create a roadmap for how they might tackle an increased production in their operations. After developing a roadmap of projects to move them forward on this innovation journey, we worked with them further in the spring to dive deeper into this process by conducting time studies and understanding really how parts move through that process. They had identified that there's a lot of time wasted spent identifying parts. We thought if we can cut out some of that time, that could create a lot of added value to the process. So we did time studies on 5 different stations, and then we mapped out that process. The second piece of that project was to identify a marking system that could track the pieces throughout the process. So we performed research. We obtained quotes from 3 different vendors that we thought were competitive solutions, and we ended up recommending a laser marking solution that allows them to further their digital capabilities and to spend less time tracking parts, which would actually potentially save up to $25,000 each year in time spent just identifying parts. We helped them apply for a state grant to subsidize the cost of this new technology, and while we wait the results of that grant, we are working now with Smoker Craft to look at new ways to further enhance their operations.